Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing FX options market combined volume expiries, a weekly retrospective review for the financial week ending 19/06/2020. Firstly, there were no notable options for the Monday 15th of June. There were two expiries for the Euro-US dollar pair at 1.1260 and 1.1300. Kevin, our analyst, said that the pair was oversold during the early morning session, and that the likeliest candidate would be a strike for the 1.1260. Here we can see that price action gravitated around the 1.1260 level during the late morning and early US session. And we can see that the spot price was 1.1277 at the cut. This was just 17 pips away. The second set of expiries were the USD Japanese yen pair, and here is the early market analysis. Kevin suggested that price action would remain at the current level as the two expiries were close to the spot price as they were large in value. Here we can see that the price action at the 10 AM cut was 107.38, which was just 23 pips shy of the 107.15 option. On Tuesday the 16th, we see two maturities at 1.1300 and 1.1250. An emphasis was placed on the bull trend with the caveat that there was a ZEW data coming from Germany and retail sales from the USA, which came in much stronger than expected and gave the dollar a lift. As such, the pair's bull run faded. The price action left a huge void and the pair drifted lower, reaching 1.1269 at the cut, just 31 pips lower than the 1.1300 maturity. There was also a maturity at 107.30 for the USD Japanese yen pair, and the analysis was that the pair was in a tight consolidation phase. At the time of the cut, the pair hit 107.42, just 12 pips away from the maturity and in line with the analysis that Kevin provided. On Wednesday, there were two option expiries for the USD Japanese yen pair. Kevin suggested that price action was in a continual sideways consolidation period and likely to remain there. At the time of the cut, the exchange rate was 107.26, just a single pip away from the maturity at 107.25. Remember, some brokers will have been quoting 107.25, in which case this is likely to have been a strike. Dollar CAD had a maturity at 1.3500 on Wednesday. Price action maintained the downward pressure but eventually broke out of the wedge to the upside and hit the 1.3563 at the cut. Also on Wednesday, there was a maturity for the Euro-GBP pair. Kevin's analysis suggested that the pair was overbought and likely to pull back to the 0.8925 option maturity. Kevin's analysis suggested that the pair was overbought and likely to pull back to the 0.8925 option maturity. Here we can see that price action did indeed pull lower. A nice trade had you have gotten in and sold the pair in the morning. Price fell within 13 pips of the maturity and remained in a downward trend well into the European and US session. Besides that, we can see that the exchange rate at the cut was 0.8946, which was just 20 pips higher. Turning our attention to Thursday, we have three option expiries for the USD Japanese yen pair, and this is Kevin's analysis for around 8 AM BST, where he calls all three out of play and suggests price action will conform to the support becoming resistance theory. Let's fast forward and we can see price action did exactly what was expected. It followed the support becoming resistance pattern and all three options remained out of play. And here we can see that the exchange rate was 106.76 at the cut. In addition to this, on Thursday, there were three options for the Euro-USD, and Kevin's early analysis was that price was likely to come for a retest of the 1.200 level if the 1.250 could be breached. If not, two red options would remain in play. Fast forward a few hours and we can see that the 1.1250 was breached and that price action did test the 1.12 level. Please remember, when trading, Kevin's technical analysis is based on exchange rates which might be several hours earlier in the day and may not reflect price action at the time of maturities. We suggest you get into a habit of visiting the Forex Academy website each morning just after 8 AM BST and take the levels and plot them onto your own trading charts, incorporating the information into your trading methodology. Doing this will be more advantageous to your trading. Remember that the higher the amount, the larger the gravitational pull towards the exchange rate maturity at 10 AM Eastern Time. For a detailed explanation of FX options and how they affect price action, please visit our video playlist on Forex option expiries. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.